this thing. This is not fun. But you kids, they did this on purpose. One of the cool things about the area that we live in here in West Virginia is we have a couple of really cool farms. One of them being Gritt's farm. The kids love it. I love it. Let me show you guys what Gritt's farm is and what our little Halloween tradition is all about. There she goes. See you later.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, we're just gonna walk right there and take a look at it. What? Okay, I'm watching. I'm watching. Sure, okay, I'm watching. Where am I going? Over here? Alright. I'm watching, I see you. So not watching.
Want to be the first people to do it in the pumpkin house?
Oh, okay. Let me get this off. Kind of got a lot of holes so people can see us.
Look how fun! I like it.
Oh yeah. Oh, the way she runs around, I probably need to get her some cowgirl boots and a funny little cow hat. What do they call those cow hats? Cowboy hat. Cowboy hats. What am I trying to say? I don't know. I'm gonna get her a cowgirl hat, and we're gonna listen to that country music and just have a field day with it. Oh, and did I mention that the slides are actually made for big kids too? Awesome. Yeah. Later. Oh, that's hot. Oh no. And the coolest part is how many times she keeps running up and down the hill. She'll be asleep by 4 o'clock. That's awesome. It's the best part. Tire out your kids. Go! Oh, look at the petting zoo.
Hey, why are they so cute? You want me to put?
Because goats are cute. However, have you noticed the smell? They don't smell very cute.
They're gonna eat your freaking hand.
Oh, look at that, huh?
They're gonna eat your hand off.
What?
They're gonna eat your hand. They're all gonna eat your hand off.
I need to sanitize my hands after that experience.
Always sanitize.
Always sanitize, that's
Yeah.
right. Over here.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers, yeah, for sure. How you doing?
Hi.
It's the hayride. The hayride that takes you all the way to the other side of the farm here, where there's a lot more cool activities to do, huh, Chloe? Yeah.
Including zip lining.
Is there a zip line? I wonder if the zip line's still there.
Better be.
I don't know, we'll see. This is like Disneyland, but in a farm. I didn't really think this through. Oh. This is not really that relaxing with people bouncing all around. So just don't, you just can't lay here, just chill. No, Oh, this is not good. I'm coming off this thing. This is not fun. But you kids, they did this on purpose. You little rat kids. Oh, you two, leader of them. Oh, get me off of this thing. These kids tricked me.
The hills are alive with the sound of music.
And then we have these pressure guns here that shoot apples out at these targets. Best thing here. And they have corn mazes too, if you're gonna get lost and stuff. But I don't really like corn mazes. Yep. What it's all about. It's that part of the season, right? Where you got to get your pumpkins. It's just part of a tradition, and hopefully you have a tradition that you like. If you do, comment below. What's one of the traditions you like to do during this time of year? These things are getting heavy. Anyway, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and remember, folks, remember to always have fun. All right.